my channel. Today's video is going to be a bonus video. I wasn't sure if I should put this on my vlog channel or my main channel, but as I started gathering everything together, it was a lot of stuff, so I felt like it needed to be its own video on the main channel. So I don't even know when this is going up, but it should be a bonus video. So as you guys know, I just recently moved into my new house, and when you move into a new house, you realize you need some new stuff. So I have all of this stuff here. Pretty much 99% of it was bought like within the past couple of days. I do have a couple things that I bought maybe like a month or two ago for the new house. Yeah, not everything's super exciting, but I'm just gonna show you guys literally everything that I have in these bags. Before I start, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and also make sure that you guys are subscribed and make sure you guys have my post notifications on. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start with Target. I seriously have so much stuff here. This is definitely over $1,000 worth of stuff. Moving is expensive. I didn't actually like literally need all of this stuff, but sometimes when you move, you just want to get some new things, and some of the things I actually did need. So I guess I'll just start with this one. It's really boring. I got a bunch of rolls of, I don't even know what this is actually called. Basically, it's just like the grip that you put like on your shelves and stuff. In our last house, when we were just cleaning everything out, I felt like the drawers were like so dirty and all the cabinets and stuff. So I bought a bunch of rolls of this to put it inside every single cabinet, every single drawer, just to keep it clean. So that's boring, but I got 3 of those. Actually, I've already put stuff in, so I bought like 5 or 6 of them. I also bought one of these kitchen brushes, one of these squeegee things. I needed some new rugs for my bathroom. The ones that we had before were gray, and I kind of just want everything in the new house to not be gray because everything in the old house was gray. So I just got a couple new rugs. So I got this one. This is one of the ones that like goes around your toilet. This will go in the master bathroom. It is the softest thing I've ever felt in my entire life. Then I got 2 of these rugs, and I think this is seriously so cute. I love it. It has all these little like poof things on it. I got one for the half bathroom that's like just a toilet and a sink, and then I also got one for the actual guest bathroom upstairs. So this will go in front of like the tub and the toilet, and I'm so excited to go and put it up there because it's seriously so cute. This bag also is boring. It's literally like mouthwash, body wash for the guest bathroom, Swiffer Wetjet wood cleaner. They told us that we should use something like this to clean our wood, so Parker just went and bought a Swiffer Wetjet. So now we have the official like wood cleaner for that, so that'll be really nice because our whole house is wood. We don't have carpet anywhere except on the stairs, so that's what we'll use to kind of like mop and clean the wood. Also, dry shampoo. It's like my 3rd bottle of this one. I really like it. Okay, moving on to the big bags. So in our last house, when we first got married and moved in together, we just went and got like super cheap white towels, and I use self-tanner pretty regularly. Don't have any on right now. It just like destroyed our towels, and from like me like washing my face and wiping mascara on it, like just because they were white, they looked so dirty and so dingy. So this time I wanted to get a different color. So this is the same brand as the rug that I just showed you guys, Field Crest at Target. These are really, really soft. So I just got 6 of these. 3 for me, 3 for Parker. I also got, wait, what the freak? Where are these for? I took like 4 trips to Target, so everything is getting like confused and mixed together. But I got a bunch of these rags too. I don't know why I got so many. Maybe actually these must be for the upstairs bathroom, but then I also got these for the upstairs bathroom. So I don't know, but I wanted to get just these little like hand towel ones. So I actually have 6 of these. So me and Parker can each have 3 on our sides of the bathroom. And I only got this little like washcloth size. I didn't get any of the medium size ones because I feel like we bought those last time and just never used them. I guess you would if you had like a little like hanging thing for like a hand towel in your bathroom, but we didn't have those in our bathrooms, so we just never ended up using them. But for the guest bathroom upstairs, all those towels are in this bag. I don't even know how many I got. Okay, wait, before I get to that, for the half bath, I got 2 of these little towels. I don't know what size this is, but this is the size I meant. That's like a little bit bigger. I actually ordered a little like the thing that you put on the wall that's like a ring that the towel goes in. I ordered a black one of those on Amazon, so I'm gonna put that in the half bath with this towel, so it kind of matches the little like polka dotty rug. For the guest bathroom, I wanted to have different towels than the ones that we have, and like I said, our old ones, even though they were white, I got white again, but our old ones were just like so dingy, and like even when they were clean, they did not look clean. So we just needed new towels in general. I don't even know how many of these I got. I hope I only got 4. 1, 2, 3, oh, feel like I got more. Yay, okay, good. I only got 4. I was thinking I got 6 and I was like, that is way too many for the guest bathroom. So, get that bag out of the way. And then I also got 2 of the matching little washcloths. I'm gonna put links to everything that I can find down below. I'll link stuff like this. I'm not gonna link like the Swiffer Wetjet cleaner because I don't think you guys are really gonna be as interested in that. I'm just putting it in the haul to like show you everything that I got since it's like a new home decor haul. All of like the cute actual decor stuff, I'll show you guys, or I'll link it down below. And then I got, I think 3 of these rugs. So these match the towels. They're really, really cute. Seriously, like the softest rugs ever. So we have one in front of my sink in the bathroom, Parker's sink in the bathroom, and then I have one in the guest bathroom in front of that sink. Yeah, I only brought one in here because those ones are already put away, but 10 out of 10, recommend these 1000%. I also got vitamins, some hooks, not that exciting. We needed new kitchen towels because again, ours were just kind of like dingy. I feel like I'm gonna regret getting white because that's what we had last time and they just never look clean, so I don't know why I got white again. So I got these ones to use as like hand drying towels, and then I just got this little pack to use as like actual cleaning rags. I feel like when we first moved into our last house, I bought like probably like 3 or 4 packs of these. I don't even know, but we had like 2 drawers full of like washcloths and stuff. Obviously they're super useful, but we just like never had an empty drawer. So this time I only bought 1 pack of these, and if I need more, I can go get them. I also got a little loofah. I got lotion for the guest bathroom, and then I also got St. Ives green tea scrub. I had one of these in my shower at the old house. I just like forget to use it somehow. I don't even know. So like I don't use it very often, so it doesn't like run out very quick. When we were cleaning stuff out, we were like trying to make sure that we were getting rid of everything we didn't need. And so I went to go pack this and I looked at the expiration date and it had expired December of 2017. So I chucked it, got a new one. I also got, I don't even know what's in this bag. Oh wait, did I get more? What is this? Oh, okay, I guess I got 2 packs of these. So I only have 4 total of these. These are just like the hand drying ones. I also got some of these baskets. We just are kind of like slowly going like room by room and organizing everything. So I think I'll probably end up getting some more of these, but these are good to have for like cleaning supplies and random stuff underneath your cabinets just to make sure it's all not like all over the place. So I got 1 of the big ones and then 2 of the little ones. I also got 3 of these trash cans. Please tell me that this is not the cutest trash can you've ever seen, because it totally is. I have one of these in every bathroom. I like that it has a lid on it because, I don't know, it just makes it look like a little bit less trashy. Next, this blanket. This is something that I bought before we moved, but I just had it like sitting in our extra room ready to be put into the guest bedroom of the new house. So that is where this goes. It's really cute. I think they also had this in a bunch of different colors. So then I have a couple things from Urban. This rug is something that I got probably a couple months ago. I was saving it for the new house, and guys, it is probably one of my favorite things. It's a runner rug. So a runner means it's like really thin and long. So this goes in my kitchen in between my island and my actual like stove and stuff. It's just this cutest pink print. I love it so much. I also have this rug upstairs in our guest room, so I'll link it down below and you guys can get like whatever size that you want, but I love it. It's seriously just like the perfect vibe for the house. I also got these rugs. This is one that I've had for a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys because it's like one of my favorite rugs I've ever had. So they also have this in different sizes and I think in different colors too. So I just have like a little one. Then I also got this one, and I actually did Instagram controls my shopping / house decor yesterday, but that video is going up on like the 17th. I don't know when this video is going up, so I don't really want to go too much into detail about this rug or these new pillows I got because they're in the video, and I don't know if you guys have seen that yet because I don't know when this video is going up. Okay, so then I have a couple random little like boring things I'll show you guys really quickly. One of them is toilet paper roll holders. So I just got them on Amazon. I got black. All of our little like accents like this are black, like our door handles, faucets, all of that kind of stuff. Then I also, I don't know why I brought these over here because this is not exciting. I just haven't opened these yet, so I figured why not open them on camera? Ooh, this is a curtain rod for my back door over here. I have some really cute curtains. Oh wait, I should show those too. So I got these from Urban. They're really, really cute. They're pink. There's a lot of pink in this house. I know. You can't tell me that this color isn't beautiful. So I got 2 of these, and they're actually not long enough. So what I did, life hack, is I ordered a 3rd one, and then I'm just going to like cut it and then add the same fabric like onto the bottom of this to make them longer, because for some reason my back door is like weirdly tall. This is what these look like. They have the cute little pom-poms on them. Moving on to the stuff I got from Ikea. I only have a couple things, but I got these hangers. I just thought they were really cute. They're wood. In our bathroom, Parker's mirror and sink is like right across from our shower, but then the pink Target rug that I got for him is only like in front of his mirror, so in front of the shower also needed a rug. So I just got this little white circle one from Ikea, so it's kind of like literally the perfect size to just go right there so that when you step out of the shower, you don't have to like step 2 feet over to the pink rug. I also got this cute basket. I already put my blankets in it, so this goes like right here on the side of the couch. I also got a bunch of these little divider things. These go in my drawers just to kind of like separate everything. And then I also got one that's for silverware, but I already have my silverware put away in there. And then I wanted to show you guys the handles that we got for our cabinets. And I know that a lot of you guys are gonna not be interested in this because you're probably not like building a house or replacing your hardware on your drawers. These are just so cute. So these are from All Modern. I ordered a whole bunch of these. Our house didn't actually come with the hardware on the cabinets, so Parker and I are gonna install these ourselves. Then the last thing I wanted to show you guys are my dining chairs. I got these from Anthropologie. I also got these on sale, so I ordered them before we even moved into the house. So I have 6 of these, and I think they're so cute. They're super fun. The back of them is also wood, so the blue color is like super fun and cute, but then like it's not too bold because from the back they're wood, so they're like a little bit more discreet, I guess. So I'm gonna have those linked down below too if you guys want to check them out along with most of the rest of this stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was like such a big random haul, but I know you guys like to see like moving vlogs and moving videos and hauls of like stuff. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also check out my vlog channel for more moving videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.